All right, good morning, everyone. It is Sunday, December 24th, 2017, and it's 11:30 New York time. And first, I just want to say, wish a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas to all of you that celebrate Christmas, and even if you don't, it's still a great time of year. And I wish you all health and happiness, and obviously trading success in 2018. This will just be a very brief video. Just mostly wanted to say that. Thank everyone for watching this year. Um, and been some questions around sorry for the interruption, guys. So been some questions around trading next week, and I'll just say that I am not planning on trading next week, and just really brief explain why for those of you that may not know that. So here's the economic calendar starting tomorrow. Actually, starting today. You can see there's nothing for today. Tomorrow, which is Christmas, do have Bank of Japan governor speaking. Probably not a big deal. And then you can see really the rest of the week there's nothing, and this is pretty typical. So it's not just because of this. There really isn't anything on the economics calendar to drive anything this week. Nothing that's listed here is really going to do anything at all. And but for the main reason is because during a holiday week like this, especially Christmas and New Year's, which is obviously the biggest holiday week of the year, we do see that most of the banks will not be trading. The large hedge funds, the really large institutional traders will all be basically off for the week, and everything shuts down basically. So because of that, there's really not going to be much liquidity in the market. So on the charts, you'll end up just seeing either a lot of range bound trades, when price doesn't really do anything, just kind of chops around all week, or you may see a false breakout that quickly fizzles out, or once the market reopens officially the following week, it will be completely reversed. And there'll just be a lot of false moves. You may or may not get good fills on your trades because, again, there's not a lot of liquidity in the market, so that could be bad. Get a lot of slippage from your broker, depending what type of broker you have. You'll probably notice that spreads are going to be higher because, again, there isn't any liquidity in the market, so that drives up spreads, and et cetera, et cetera. So, so I would recommend, if people have asked me, I just said, I would take this week off and not trade. I wouldn't even really look at your charts except if you want to do some analysis for the following week, and maybe look at some of the longer term trends and look at the economic calendar for next week. That's fine for the first week of January, but I wouldn't look otherwise. So it might be a good time to sit back and look at some of your recent trades and how you've done over the last, over the last year. You could, if you've been trading that long, or at least over the last several months, several weeks, whatever, and get an idea of how you've been doing. And more importantly, maybe focus on some psychology things, and improve some of your mental sharpness for trading, which, as I've said before, is at least as much, if not more important than any technical or fundamental system, is your trading psychology and your mindset. So, and there are plenty of good resources. If you need to know some of those, let me know and I can help you out. So, so that's it, guys. I just wanted to again wish everyone Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, Happy New Year, whatever it is that you're celebrating, and just have some fun with friends and family, and hopefully 2018 will be a banner year for us trading. And again, be very cautious. I would advise against trading, but if you do, I would be very careful, and I would not expect much. So, take the time to do some self-reflection or psychology improvement. So anyways, guys, that's it. We'll talk to you again in the new year. There's actually some pretty decent stuff coming up in the first week of January. We got some pound news. We got some Australian news, and then we have U.S. non-farm payrolls on Friday. So we'll get right back into it next week. But for now, sit back, relax, enjoy your time, do some self-improvement, and just put the markets aside for a week. So, all right, guys, that's it. Take care, and we will talk to you next week. Happy New Year, everyone.